everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 3 of the BS chorus. So if you haven't yet watched part 1 and part 2, I would recommend watching those first and learning how to do part 1 and part 2, and then coming back to learn part 3 so that you kind of understand the entire combo. Parts 1 and part 2, or parts 1 and 2, the links to those videos will be in the description box below, so you can find those in my description box below. All right, let's get started here. So we just finished part 2 with that break. So from here, with this step, don't make it a full stomp. You're just going to do a touch, because then we're going to reuse that foot again. So part 3. On this left foot that we just touched with, you're going to go step, shuffle, step. So left and then right. So left foot starts like a buffalo. So step on the left, shuffle, step, right. Okay? And here's the part that has a couple variations. So this all is the same. Step, shuffle, step. Oops, sorry, that was a bad one. But from here, if you are not quite advanced yet, you can go brush forward, hop on your right foot, and then brush back. Okay? So it would go brush, hop, brush, and then there's going to be a slight pause before the hop, but after the first brush. So it'll go brush, hop, brush. Okay? If you're ready to take it up a level, if you're ready to make it a little bit more advanced, you would go brush, no hop, and no brush back. But now you're going to do a single foot pullback. So you'll go brush, pause, single foot pullback just on the right. Okay? And if you're ready to take it up even more, a notch even more, you're going to go brush and then single foot wing. Okay? So 3 options. You can either go brush, hop, brush, or you can go brush, pull back, single foot pull back, or you can go brush, single foot wing. Okay, so it's up to you, whatever level you feel most comfortable with. For today's video, I am going to stick with the brush, hop, brush, just because I don't have a bunch of room on my board. So, okay, so we touched here. After that maxi forward, you're going to go into step, shuffle, step, left and then right, brush, hop, brush, or brush, pull back, or brush, single foot wing. And then you're going to add on one more maxi forward here on the left. Okay? And again, that can either be done with or without a pullback. So if it's without a pullback, it would sound like this. If it's with, it would sound like this. Okay? And then after that pullback, we're going to repeat, or after that maxi forward, we're going to repeat that same section 2 more times. So once you come out of that maxi forward, you want to think again of doing a touch or a tap so that you can get back into it on the left side. Sorry, missed the in sound of that shuffle. Okay, does that make sense? So you're going to do it a total of 3 times. So let me walk you through it here. We touched here. This is the end of part 2. We have part 3. Step, shuffle, step, brush, maxi forward. Again. One more. From here, put your full weight on that last stomp because you're going to go into the break. So with your right foot, you're going to go 1. Yeah, nicely done. Okay. So if you were to do it, I want to show what it would sound like with the single foot pullback, which sounds the same as a single foot wing, but I just want to show you what it would sound like. So if you were to do it with the pullback, let's see what would be the best way. One more. Okay, let me see if I can show it to you this way. I don't know if I have enough space here. It's easier this way because it's my longer way. So again, that would go that make sense? And it'll sound the same for that single foot wing as well. I'm not going to demonstrate that one. Okay, so let's try it again one more time. Moderate tempo. And this part also starts on 8, just like the first two. So we just touched here. Starts on 8. 5, 6, 7. Break. Yeah, nicely done. So you want to really figure out that rhythm first. And so it's 8 and 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and a 7, 8. Okay? So ba da 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 ba da ba da da. Okay? So this one's really fun to do, and you can get the arms moving. With the brush forward, you do a big arm circle up and around. So I know you can't see my upper body, but think about your arms doing big windmill arms up and around, and it's super fun to do. Whew, sorry, I'm out of breath from this one. Nicely done with this one. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a comment about a song suggestion or a tap step that you want me to break down, let me know, and down in the comments below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Okay, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.